today we'll be talking about Botstar for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here and search for Botstar for workflows. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your sub account or multiple sub accounts at the same time. So I'm choosing this one, which is available. Continue with that. Allow and install. It is installed. Now we will be moving forward towards the agency level, as you can see here. And the next step will be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed Botstar for workflows. We are on the sub account on which we have installed. Down below in the navigation bar, you can find for app configuration. Here, what we have to do is configure Botstar for workflows. To do that, so set up your account with Botstar and get the API keys from there and copy paste it here. Let's do it. Here we are in our Botstar account. I have already set up this account, and here you can do that is find that account, and after that down below you can find for the API token and copy that. Pasting that API key here, you have to just submit, and the next step will be moving forward towards automations as it is successfully configured now. Create a workflow and start from scratch. We are in the workflow builder and we have to check on the actions are working correctly or not. Find for Botstar. These are the actions available from Botstar for workflows. Let's just check on from any of them. Let's just create a new bot. I'm just setting an example right now, so that's why I'm naming this one. Save this action and create some notes with that. Find for custom values, Botstar for workflows. Oh, my mistake. And we had entered the name. Add some text. Save this as well. Save the whole, and now we will be testing our workflows. Select any of your contact to just check on. Run and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action and the notes are executed successfully now. It's simple and easy. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.